Okay, so good day to you, APS Kilobyte. Yesterday, I actually said I'm going to be discussing with you the titles of the content I want to be creating for you that will give you the opportunity to have broader knowledge about all the skills that you have been learning from our online institution. And I said yesterday that I'm going to be starting with the first skill, which is the content writing skill. So you remember that a lot of people buy courses online and a lot of people join training online, and maybe after the training they don't really have the adequate information on how to move forward on that specific thing. And some people will even ask me that this training that we are joining, how many days will it take? I'll be like, your training is just for 3 days. And they'll be like, content writing for 3 days. Are you sure I'm going to be able to understand everything? Yes, we cannot teach you everything in a training or everything in a course. We are going to be bringing out the most important part of it that you are likely and most likely to make use of. So there are still some additional things that we cannot include in the training. And that is one of the reasons why I have created this time for my students and people that are aspiring to be my students, so that anytime they storm upon my page, they can easily learn one or two things based on anything they've learned before or something they are about to learn. So in the content writing episode that I said I'm going to be starting, I said I'm going to be starting with 5 episodes, and I'm going to be listing out the 5 titles of things I'm going to be discussing in it, so that you that want to learn content writing, or you that might have learned content writing and maybe you are confused with one or two things, all those videos are going to be helping you to have the full understanding of everything you have learned or everything you want to learn. So the title of my episode 1 is going to be based on what is content writing. That is everything I'm going to be covering in the episode 1. And the episode 2, I'm going to be talking about what is a content writer and what do they do, because a lot of people want to learn content writing and they don't really understand that content writing and who a content writer is. I'm going to be breaking it down for you in the episode 2, and what a content writer, what they do, I will definitely explain it for you for better understanding. So in my episode 3, I'm going to be talking about the types of content writing that we have, so that you that have learned content writing, you will know that specific type of content writing that you want to focus on, because this online space, when you focus on one specific thing that you can do better, it will be easier for you to scale rather than thinking about focusing on everything around your niche. You need to niche down to one specific thing. Like me, for example, I, as a content writer, what I focus more is blog writing. I have a friend on Instagram. I think she focus more on social media content writing as well. So this content writing, you need to know the types and you need to know the one you want to focus on. In my episode 3, I'm going to be breaking down the types of content writing that we have. I will list out everything for you, explain them for you, so that you can know the one that you have energy, you have passion in writing, then you can focus on that in order for you to scale through. In my episode 4, I'm going to be talking about the content writing versus copywriting. There is a clear distinction between content writing and copywriting, but a lot of people on this online space, they usually tag content writing as copywriting. I'm going to be breaking down the difference in a very understandable way, so that when you also listen to it, you can easily know that, oh, these particular two things, they are different entirely. Because I tell people, you are not a copywriter, you are just a content writer. They'll be like, no, I'm a copywriter. So by the special grace of God, in my episode 4, I'm going to be breaking that one down for you for better understanding. In the 5th episode is that high content writing is a high paying income skills in 2026. That is exactly what I'm going to be breaking down for you in my episode 5, so that you can see that if you have learned content writing by this 2026, especially during the era of AI, you should be making a lot of money for yourself. Most importantly, we don't usually use AI to write our content for clients, but you can actually use AI to generate lots of ideas that will guide you through in writing a very good content for your clients. In my next video, I'm going to start those episodes one after the other, and I will explain for you in a layman understanding, whereby you are going to be learning a lot. If you are not following my account yet, this is the high time for you to follow this account so that you can learn more. And if you have been following, this is the high time you have a separate note that you are going to be using to jot down some important things you are going to be learning in this my channel. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.